ये है टीवी 18 और आप देख रहे हैं
First entrepreneur of the evening, मुंबई के संकेत रामभ्या।
एक्सट्रीम मीडिया 2009 से काम कर रही है डिजिटल साइनेज एंड एलईडी डिस्प्ले के क्षेत्र में। 2 प्रोडक्ट लाइंस और 12 प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ इस सेक्टर में ये इंडिया के एकमात्र एंड टू एंड सर्विस प्रोवाइडर बनकर उभरे हैं। अगले 2 सालों में ये मेट्रो सिटीज में अपना डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और आफ्टर सेल्स नेटवर्क फैलाना चाहते हैं। इसके अलावा R&D फैसिलिटी में इन्वेस्ट करने के साथ साथ ग्लोबल मार्केट्स को भी टैप करना चाहते हैं।
Times Square displays are attractive because they are unique. To create this uniqueness, you have to engineer every solution differently. Because of this ability, Extreme Media has been able to execute marquee installations at Bombay Stock Exchange, at International Airport and National Stock Exchange. Chitra ma'am knows us very well because of our many installations at NSE, one of which is a unique 360-degree cylindrical seamless LED display. In all this display, the unique feature is the hardware, the software and the content is all powered through Extreme Media. Our second product line is a cloud-based platform which allows you to control any television remotely. Using this platform, you can schedule what you want to play in which screen at what time. We have 50 plus pan-India partners. With sales team of 3, we are on track to achieve our turnover of 10 crores this year. We have been able to capture 4% market share in LED display market and 8% market share in digital signage market.
My question would be that how do you keep competition out? How do you ensure that you stay ahead of competition? What is your competitive strength?
We are one of the only companies who are able to excel both at hardware and software. This gives us an edge over the competition.
How does your global competitiveness on cost and offering stand?
In terms of pricing, we are highly competitive. Maybe sometimes half or less than half of what an international company like Barco, a Lighthouse would offer for the same solution. And also because we have maintenance capability here in India, our clients find more than the cost, the service and local presence is a big factor.
I have a scenario for you. Yes, sir. Let's say you have a board member that introduces you to a CEO of a multinational company that operates in the same space as your startup. And the CEO is friendly enough with you that he wants to come and see your lab and meet your team. And he sees that, the work that you're doing is of great interest to him. He's a company with a large sort of market cap, large sales, a solid R&D, and deep pockets. He could potentially be an acquirer of your company as it stands today. And you're keen to build a relationship with him.
All right.
However, you're also afraid that he may learn enough from your business to replicate your business in a much bigger way. What do you do?
A multinational company with great resources and strong financial power, if decides today that they want to do what we want to do, nobody can stop them. So being afraid of them and not calling them over and not engaging them would be a mistake. I would definitely engage with them. I'll call them over, let them have a look at our facility. I am confident that by the time, if they decide to copy us, and by the time they copy us, we'll be somewhere else. So, you are most welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Mistry, please do the honors.
So the runner-up is Sanket Rambia from Extreme Media.